In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text pop-up in Squarespace. We'll walk through setting up Squarespace's built-in promotional pop-up so you can display a clear text message to visitors, collect signups, or direct them to a key page. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. From the main navigation, click Website to enter your site controls. Next, open Pages so you're inside the area where you work on your site's structure. From there, head to Marketing Tools. This is where Squarespace keeps features that help you promote your content and capture attention. Select Promotional Pop-up to open the settings for your site-wide overlay. First, turn it on by enabling Display Pop-up. This switch is what actually allows the pop-up to appear on your published site, so make sure it's active before you fine-tune the rest. Now move into the Action section. Under Goal, choose how the pop-up should behave. If you want to grow your audience, select Sign up for a newsletter, which adds a form so visitors can enter their email. If your aim is to send people to a product, a booking page, or a special announcement, choose Click a Button and set the button text and destination. Pick the option that matches your priority today. You can always come back and change it later. Go back to the main pop-up settings and open Content. Here you'll edit the headline and body text. Keep your headline short, direct, and benefit-driven, like a promise or a clear call to action. In the body, add 1 or 2 brief sentences that explain the value or next step. Aim for scannable language and avoid long paragraphs so the message stays easy to read on mobile. When you're happy with the copy, click Save to lock in your changes. Go back once more and open Display and Timing. This is where you control when and how often the pop-up appears. Choose a trigger that fits your audience and message, such as showing the pop-up shortly after page load, after a brief delay, or when someone has scrolled a certain amount. If you're communicating something urgent, a shorter delay can work. If you want a softer approach, show it later so visitors have time to engage with the page first. Also consider frequency so returning visitors aren't interrupted too often. That's it. You've turned on the promotional pop-up, defined its goal, written clear content, saved your changes, and set the timing so it appears at the right moment. Keep your copy concise, test the timing on both desktop and mobile, and revisit these settings anytime to refine performance as your needs evolve.